Carlene, ChatGPT just told this guy that his H-1B denial was an easy fix. An easy fix. I went to law school for 4 years. Three grueling years. And Chatbox is out there handling out legal strategy like it's a fortune cookie.
What he's trying to say is, AI doesn't know your case history, your priority date, or what's actually in your file.
It told him just to refile. Just to refile. That's a quote. You know what just refile means? It means nothing.
It creates a paper trail that haunts you like a raccoon in the attic.
But we've got 35 years, and this robot's out there just winging it.
He's been like this since AI started giving out information advice.
Talk to a human before you file anything. That's always your best bet.
AI can give you information. It can't give you strategy. And that's what we're here for.
I have studied Chat's responses to immigration questions, and they are very, very often wrong, incomplete, partial, or just completely off the record. Sometimes they actually create cases that do not exist. They're called phantom cases. So you really want to be careful with that. You can get in a lot of trouble. You can get a case dismissed. It can be denied. You don't want to rely on Chat. It just gives you general information.
Comment lawyer and we'll reach out to you.